Good morning, everybody. Check this truck out. Hell yeah. I can't believe you shut it off, man. We love that old school Powerstroke sound.
Well, if you're recording, man, I don't want to be a dick.
Hey, brother, man, it's good.
Nice
To meet you. Nice to meet you. All right, tell everybody who you are and how long you've been a subscriber. Preferably not blinding you in the sun. How's that?
Well, my name is Dane. Located here in beautiful Southern Oregon. I've been subscribing to you for a little bit now. Since a bit before all that craziness happened.
Yeah,
with the one gal.
I don't know what happened with that.
Yeah, just
we let that stuff go. All right, dude. Okay, so my very first Powerstroke was a super cab, and so you've got like the unicorn of super cabs. Check it out, a 6-speed
manual with the Ford factory PTO controller installed.
Nice.
So
how many miles are on her?
Currently 266.
Okay, so you're just breaking it in now.
Oh yeah. Went in not long ago. Did new fuel injectors. Just take care of it, man.
Have you had to do the cups for the injecters?
Just replaced all the
Just injectors. Yeah.
Just
doing it.
You know, just regular maintenance. You know,
After
a while, you just.
got
They're getting so hard to find now, especially ones that haven't been molested.
Right.
So to be able
Long
to
bed.
Just keep it clean, keep it nice.
That's it. Well, I'm going to wrap this up. We're going to go have breakfast somewhere.
Yeah.
Awesome. And there's the boat. It's still here. There's the truck. Yeah. I went down at the end because usually I go down and turn around, and someone had a car parked. They had two vehicles parked outside the line marked, so I had to go up the hill and four-wheel drive low and go back down. Yeah, hey, you know, it can pull. I mean, in four-wheel drive low, I was like idling it up the dirt and back around. But all right, man, let's go do breakfast. Okay, I did not film or video or whatever we want to call it my breakfast, but it was epic. I did steal a mug. Check out this bag that Dane brought by. This is really, really cool. But there's stuff in the bag. Ha ha ha! Tie-dye. This is awesome. Look at this shirt. This is your. I know who's gonna steal this shirt from me. That is awesome looking. Look at the colors.
Sun over the water.
Oh man, this is amazing.
You go nautical for a boat guy.
This is absolute. Now, who made this?
This is made by my friend Jeremiah Treadwell's wife, Samantha Treadwell.
Look at that. I know who's gonna steal that. If they can get it off my bot, that's awesome. Look at that. That's incredible. All right, what else do we have in the back? Oh, there's some bottles in here. You're gonna tell me about this. Look at this.
That is homemade Kahlua.
Homemade Kahlua.
Irish up your coffee a little bit. Do whatever you want to your coffee.
Oh, I should have even thought about that. Man, there's another one in there.
And then that is so it's technically a melomel, which is a mead, but with the addition of fruit to it. It's a pear and apple base. It's all local pear, all local apple, and all local honey. It finished about 13%.
James? James, if you're watching this, dude, we're going to have a celebration when I get back.
It finished a little dry. It's more on the dry side, and it's a little bit tart.
Awesome. Oh, man, this is awesome. I love this shirt. This shirt is killer, and I can't wait to try this. I should have thought about that. We would have had that with the coffee here. We're at this really cool place.
This is the breadboard, one of our local spots here in Ashland.
Oh, I'm going to steal this. Here we are, the breadboard. The breakfast was outstanding. I recommend it to everybody. Come here if you're in the area. Stop by. If you're on I-5 heading south, they got lunch and coffee. The coffee was great. Absolutely. And as you can see, It's really, really clean place too. All right, tell everybody bye. I love the sound of diesel in the morning. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a 7.3 liter. Yes. You know when it has that door tag on it right there, that it's a real Powerstroke. Not that 6 liter crap. Not a 6.7, but a real Powerstroke. Hell yeah, brother. All right, don't get me demonetized by music. I've already got one strike.
Hey, I clicked things up and look at that. They can't even see what's up. There's nothing there to see.
Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. Let's run out the Chevy dealership. Let's see if Derek's around. We're in Ashland. This place is gorgeous. Yes. Truck noises. You see, this is scan gauge I was telling people.
Oh, dude, these are the
gold.
best money. If you have a Powerstroke, it is some of the best money that you can spend.
It is.
Because you can sit there and you can watch every parameter that you want to. You can program in different ones. Like, fucking under $200, and it will tell you if something's happening before it's an issue.
Yep.
Like,
Yeah, they had those for sale at the Iowa 80 truck stop. I saw them there and immediately shot it. Hey, scan gauge, that's cool. So it's funny because probably nobody saw that or noticed it in the video, but now I see it in your truck. And yeah, look at that, 21 miles a gallon average. That's old school for you. I think I'd have a heart attack if I saw 21 miles a gallon. I don't see that shit downhill.
no, not even downhill. It's fucking massive.
Wow, looks like Derek's lot needs more cars. Oh, that's the Ford dealer. Now let's go to the Chevy dealer. Dutch Brothers, that's where he took me for coffee.
Dutch Brothers now has stocks and everything, man.
Or maybe it was the Human Bean. I don't know.
Dutch Brothers started in Grants Pass. And now they're all over the U.S.
I see a really sick looking Tahoe out front. Just pull right up over here on the right. All right. Let's go see if Mr. Fast Life is in. Leaving. He's leaving. Another great visit with an amazing sub. This is why I love this channel, because we're having so much fun. All right, let's crank that diesel up one more time. I want to see smoke when you leave, man. That is a unicorn of trucks. 6-speed, super cab, long bed, with PTO output. That gets better fuel mileage than my truck will ever get. I know, I got a Dodge, I know. I should have been stroking instead of ramming. Is that what he's saying? Yeah. Truck noise. Thank you, Dane. Thank you very much. It's meeting people like you that makes this channel worth every minute. God bless you, brother. taking a quick little break. Grab something for lunch. There's a mountain up there. Something about Shasta. I don't know. I guess that's where you get your drinks from. Shasta, right? Welcome to Weed. It's an interesting little town. It's epic. We just stopped into the weed store. Check it out. There's a sign there. It tells us where to go. It's guarded by Sasquatch. But it's a tiny little town. It's a cool little stop along the way. But it's a beautiful day. It's nice. It really is. I didn't even put a jacket on it. It's just nice. This is cool. So, have you come up with the full name for it yet?
I have.
You have?
Yes.
Can we share that yet?
No.
Because I'm still trying to get trademarks and I'm still trying to get domain names.
Okay, well, we won't even talk about that.
I'm pretty happy with it. It's not...
This.
The mistake I made with the smaller boats is no one remembers the name, so you've got to make something catchy
Right?
and simple that you can get the...
I love the flat panel displays.
yeah, I can turn that on so you can
Look
see
at
it.
that.
Yeah. I was too cheap to buy Ray Marine screens, so I just put an iPad in it for now, which actually is great. And then
You know, Samsung has a 10-inch tablet called the Active Tab.
Yeah.
And it has pogo mounting so that you can, and it has back cooling fan cooling from RAM.
But 10 inches is a little small.
I know 10 inches is small. I know. I keep
These are
telling my
9 by
girlfriend
12, so I probably need like a 14 or a 15.
But they're fully waterproof.
Yeah.
They're IP68 rated.
Put them in a waterproof case.
Yeah, there you go.
No, I'll eventually put Simrads in there probably.
Yeah. Simrads are nice,
Yeah.
but they're also nicely expensive. Check out
it's
this
ridiculous,
engine. We're going with real power now.
So that's made by Kodiak Marine. It's basically a marinized version of a C8 Corvette LT engine.
This is going to be amazing.
This one puts out 430 horsepower, and if that ain't enough,
Right?
they have a 600 horsepower supercharged engine.
Okay, so the video I just launched this morning from yesterday at Port Townsend had an all aluminum ferry cat for whale watching.
Yeah.
With quad Scania 900 horsepower with quad. I mean, this thing's like 80 feet long and goes 40 knots.
Yeah, and again, I'm not against going. So there is a diesel option, and I would like to put a diesel in it. And I was worried about the weight because I thought, man, it's going to be so tail heavy because this engine weighs about 800 pounds.
All right, we're talking diesels. I'm going to pause this video.
And where's it going to go?
This is going to Estonia.
What's that?
Where's that?
It's Russian, former Russian.
Yeah.
Oh.
I still love these.
I love this. You should see this one out in the sun too.
Oh, I bet it's insane in the sun.
Yeah, he's a pretty boat.
My favorite's still the Eagle.
Yeah,
I love that boat. That was awesome.
What was screaming at you again, huh?
yeah, I think I got to pull. I'll pull the
Yeah.
thousand out and see what's going on.
Probably damaged it when the first time.
Well, they said they warranty it, so.
Oh, I see.
Shit like that.
It's got the big cycloptic light on the top. That's epic.
Yeah, so the ring light is basically just so that people can see you coming, but there'll be 2 forward-facing cameras, one wide angle and one
Very
just
cool.
regular.
I keep doing stuff on this iPhone that makes it shut off the video.
Uh-huh.
I gotta learn. All my droid years.
So the actual air intake is on the top of the snorkel. You can't see it, but it's a massive opening at the top of the snorkel.
Very cool. Well, I can't wait to see more development on this because I know your videos are awesome. I'll have to get my people on my channel to subscribe to your channel so they can stay up to date on this.
Yeah, cool.
Very, very neat.
Yeah, it's just, you just got to go through all of the refinement and dialing it in, because the first time you hit the water, it's almost always a piece of shit, and you just have to knock out one problem at a time.
I mean, we've known each other, what, 7-8 years now? and it's you know, the last SeaBreacher that I see is different than the first Sea.
Yeah,
or
it's
even,
a constant
I mean,
advancement,
it's an advancement and evolution, and they're amazing.
Yeah. But anytime you start with a completely new design, none of the same stuff applies. I mean, I've got some theories from it, but there's not a single part they have in common. So
I mean, it's not like the Jetovators, right?
Those are a little bit easier to build. Yeah. But, all right. What else am I going to do with my time?
Right? All right, well, I'm going to take my time and thank you for yours. And
I'll take you for a ride one of these days.
I know. One of these days. Hey, everybody. So, is this day 9? 10? They all run together now. All right, we're in California. Lodi, California. And so I don't have any idea how you pronounce it. Maybe it's Lodi. Someone tell me in the comments, kind of spell it out for me phonetically. I got the last parking spot. I actually saw somebody park their car and asked them to move it because there was just no way. And there's just 2 hotels in this entire area to stop at. Had a great morning, starting out with Dane. That was awesome. Heard from my friends. Had a killer breakfast. It was real good. I still got the leftovers for breakfast. I'm going to heat that stuff up in the microwave in the room. Get editing on this video. Went and saw my buddy Rob Ennis at Ennis Space. Oh my God, the things he's got coming up. I didn't even shoot his 59 Cadillac. That thing is dope. So yeah, Rob's got some crazy stuff going on. He's got a 59 Cadillac. I never even knew how heavy those suspension parts were until I lifted up some at his shop today and put them in the back of his truck. But he's got the same L87 direct injected engine in the new, well, the Q model is what he's calling it for right now. That's the exact same engine combination that James and I are putting into the 290 Sea-Ray that's in the back of the shop. We're working on something special for Redneck Fabulous, and we're actually working on the doors right now at the shop so that we can get that boat from the outside and get it to fit through the back, through the door of the back shop. If we could pull that magic off, it's going to be amazing, and I can't really wait to get that boat inside so we can start gutting it and making it right. So again, we got more boat projects. I've got the Miata we've got to get started on. The Mini's got to get finished, and we got to finish the Broncos. I think with the first project I'm really going to get street worthy is the Eddie Bauer Bronco after I get the Mini running. The Mini's a highly efficient vehicle. We love it to death, and it wouldn't take but a few days to really buckle down and get that car running. So I think when I get back, that's going to be my goal immediately, is get the Mini going. So if you like Mini Coopers, stay tuned. We got some stuff coming up with that. But see the shop and the general idea of where we can go and what we can do is really endless. I mean, there's a lot of different things that we can do for content. It's not just driving around and going to see cool places and people. But I'm thinking about tomorrow, if I can get down to the LA area fast enough, stopping by Eliminator Marine, checking out some of their new boats. But also I want to go by Gail Banks' place. I need some parts for my truck. And I think I want to get the big 4-inch Mega Ram and install that on here and see what that does on my ride back. So anyway, I'm going to get inside, get editing to this video, and get some sleep. Anyway, God bless you all. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for sharing your comments. And let's go, Brandon.